Great choice! Drawing a basket can be simple or detailed, depending on your style. Here's a step-by-step guide for a classic woven basket, plus variations if you want to get creative. Basic basket drawing, front view. Step by step. 1. Draw the base shape. Start with a wide oval for the rim, the opening. Below it, draw 2 curved lines down from the sides, narrowing inward. Connect those lines at the bottom with a slightly curved line to form the basket's body. 2. Add the handle, optional. Draw a tall arc from one side of the rim to the other. You can double the line to give the handle some thickness. 3. Woven pattern, optional but fun. Lightly draw horizontal lines across the basket's body, spaced evenly. Add vertical U or wave shapes between them to simulate weaving. Details, shade or thicken certain areas to show depth. Add texture to the handle if it's rope or wrapped.